Hi everyone, Ryan here, Ion Capital Solutions. I'm here today with Christopher Van Buren, and we are going to walk you through how to do a mail merge campaign through Gmail. Christopher, thanks so much for being with us today.
You're welcome. I'm glad to be here.
So we're just going to jump right in, I think, here, Christopher. So Streak.com, you're definitely going to want to go ahead and install this this extension. It's free, okay? You get it installed, and it's as simple as just going to Gmail. Now, there is a little bit of a setup, not to worry. There are tutorials on the website, and your team leader can assist you with getting this part of it set up if you have any questions, but it's pretty straightforward stuff. Once you integrate it with your Gmail, it's just as simple as going to Compose, right? We're clicking on the three dots in the bottom right, okay? We're going to templates, and then we're choosing the template we created, okay? In this case, I created the cold email blast template. Now, boom, it goes in there. Now, there's no signature in there, and I've yet to put the signature on here because I use Outlook, okay? But the point is, you drop it in there, you have your saved template, right? If you notice, the subject line needs to be changed, right? We don't want to send out a cold email blast. Instead of just say something like funding for fix and flips, refis, things of that nature, right? With that being said, in order actually to get the ball rolling, you just click in the recipient section, and there's a mail merge button. You just click on that button. It's going to ask you to upload a CSV, right? So we just go to downloads. I think we have one here. Here's a demo email list. You double click it, and it's in there. You can see the email addresses, all 5. Cool. And then it's just a matter of getting started, right? It's just a matter of getting the ball rolling here, hitting send 5, and it'll go to each of those members. Now, Christopher, you've used this tool for a long time now. How's your experience been?
I mean, it's been wonderful. I mean, it gives me the Streak plugin, besides giving me the ability to mail merge. I mean, in the beginning, it only, for the basic account, it gives you 50 per day, which is right where we're at targeting anyway. But just the fact that I'm able to create tasks, I'm able to make different boxes to keep my email threads connected. So I'm basically turning my Gmail mail suite into a mini CRM to kind of just help manage data again. Managing our data over the long term as we start doing this weeks and months down the line, we need an effective system to kind of keep everything organized. So it's just a really nice feature that you can go into Gmail. You could create your templates inside the Gmail architecture and then use these tools to basically do your email blast in less than 5 minutes.
Absolutely, absolutely. And it was very, very quick and easy to set up as well. So everybody should definitely hop on this right away. And it's important to note that your CSV, right, the list of names, right, whatever the top section is, right, in this case, the first name, right, you want the code to sync up. So if it's first underscore name, let's say, right, you need that to sync up. Excuse me, let me just click that. You need that to sync up in the email at the very top, right? Hi, and then in there, first underscore name. You see that? And it'll properly pick up the first name of each person. So when you send it out, it sends it to the first name of each person on your list, as opposed to it saying hi first name, right? Important stuff. Anyway, there's plenty of help topics, YouTube videos surrounding this platform. It's very, very simple and easy to use. You're welcome to ask your team leaders. They can help you, but you're going to find that this is a great tool, very easy to use, very easy to set up. I guess I'll just walk them through, Christopher, how to set it up real quick. All you need to actually do is just click on the cogwheel, go to settings, okay? Go to advanced, and enable templates. That's really all the setup is inside of Gmail. Once you do that, it's just a matter of installing the app, right? Once the app is installed, it integrates, and you see you have these little buttons and things pop up, and you know, take it from there. Take it from there. Any other points on this, Christopher?
Yeah, just also things that you can do with the with that particular plugin. It does track your opens and things of that nature. So again, you can kind of get an idea on a bird's eye view on who's opening your email. So again, it can give you that ability. If I saw someone open the email and they didn't respond, maybe I'll jump on Facebook and send them a message in direct messenger. So it gives you, if you start looking at the data and what's going on, you get additional opportunities to reach out to clients and make those connections.
Absolutely, absolutely. And this is available on mobile as well, by the way.
Yes, there's a mobile app as well.
Yeah, yeah. It's a fantastic product. Everybody take a look. It's free, right? If you want to upgrade to a paid feature, you can do that, okay? That does it for this topic. Christopher, thank you so much for being with us today. We'll catch everyone in the next video.
All right, have a good day.